Fire Control to South Lockport. Equipment requested for a motor vehicle accident with injury. South Transit at Rapids. For a vehicle versus deer. Male is bleeding from the eyes and nose. Conscious and alert at this time. Vehicle is also in the roadway. You'll be on TAC 1 on location. Repeating to South Lockport. Equipment requested for a motor vehicle accident with injuries at South Transit and Rapids. For a vehicle versus deer, airbag deployment in the vehicle, male bleeding from the face, eyes, and nose, is conscious and alert. ALS priority response is recommended. Your incident's on TAC 1. Fire Control clear at 2037.